Hey, Stongo again. I'm still here at the church house, just trying to get these songs out to you. This week, the song is called Rvphoye. It's an encouragement song, and it's talking about how even though we have adversaries, that I'm still going to obey God. I'm still going to obey Him, and it's just saying that the believers have gone on, these different ones have gone on, and as for me, that I'm going to continue to obey. I'm going to continue to obey the Lord. And it's just an encouragement song that even though sometimes you face hard times and people coming against you because of your beliefs, it's saying that even though they come against you, continue to follow the Lord, continue to obey Him and trust in Him. And so hopefully it's an encouragement to you this week. Rvphoye momes omaes akan vachana fastatis mikosabagea beyana on you ayat is tomin vachana fastatis Epon Rvphoye momes omaes akan vachana fastatis iskenagal gea beyana on you ayat is tomin akan vachana fastatis Epon Rvphoye momes omaes akan vachana fastatis potagea beyana on you ayat is tomin akan vachana fastatis Epon Rvphoye momes omaes akan vachana fastatis akasamalgea beyana on you ayat is tomin akan vachana fastatis Epon Rvphoye momes omaes